Hi. So you guys been asking if Prince is here. He's close to my height. So the reason why he does not want to be in the video because he's getting a teenager. So it's more understandable. The Kyle is here. Chilean you guys saw in the last video. All right. So today it's a simple and cooking video. I have a flat top here. This is a Bella brand. This is a different brand for breakfast cooking purpose. It's easy today. So guys, you guys ready?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing today? So Prince is gonna take over. So I'm gonna put some oil here.
We're going to SeaWorld right now in a bit.
Yeah, we're going to see what guys. So I put onion here.
Wow!
You guys like the smell?
Yeah.
And this is the potatoes. We've been having it for Christmas. So I'm just gonna use that one for eggs too. Once the onion is ready, I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put eggs. You guys like the color? Prince, come on. I know it's a Lulu's right there, right? Jillian.
Yes.
So how it looks everything?
It looks good.
You enjoyed your Christmas?
Yeah.
Everybody was asking about you, Prince. They said you did good job. Kyle, you are not saying anything. Say what's going on. I put some oil.
I have nothing to say.
You don't have nothing to say. Everybody's watching you. Say something. Put some salt. Okay. And I have a uncooked tortilla. I bought it from Costco. Flour tortilla. So we're gonna cook that one too. Oh, it's getting a good color. So I'm just gonna put it here.
I'm here to watch recording.
Yeah, my wife is recording. Prince, come this side, Papa.
Wow, how do you guys feel about Prince making a breakfast for you guys?
Good. Yeah.
Prince? Huh?
Prince, ஏதாவது சொல்லு Prince.
Prince doesn't
பக்கத்துல வா. ஏதாவது பேசு. Chilla, நீ ஏதாவது சொல்லு. You want to break the egg?
yeah.
Yeah. You know how to do it, right?
Yeah, I know how to do
Here.
it too.
Put the egg shell here. Prince, you want to do that too?
Can I do it?
Okay, put this one. This side. Come this side. Yeah. Use this one. Use this one. Look. Okay, here. Look.
Can I try to do it?
Yeah.
Can I do it, Papa?
Use, yeah. Careful. Yeah, here. Yeah. Do it. There you go.
Papa, let me.
Yeah. So,
Papa, I want to try too.
it's okay, Kyle. No worries.
I never need to crack the egg.
You try?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it.
With two hands.
Do it, Kyle.
Quickly.
Okay.
No, this side, like this. But here, break like that. Yeah. It's hot, okay? Yeah, do it. No, first do it. Crack it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Then poke it like here. Two fingers, and just break it here. Under here. Yeah. Yeah, break it. Yeah. Like this. Yeah.
A little part.
Break it like this. Yeah. So it can fall down. Yeah. Use your finger.
Oh.
Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Okay. And a little bit more salt.
Can you be behind Jillian?
Huh?
Like right in the middle. Yeah.
Like the sizzling.
I really like cracking the egg. That's
You
fun.
cracking the egg.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, Prince got the plate, guys. So we're going to make a breakfast taco. Eggs and potato taco. You know, it's look a little bit dry, but we're gonna put some sauce and everything. You know, it's gonna make it a more juicy, guys. Okay, here, ready. Now I'm going to cook the tortillas, which is like I know it looks like a chapati. So in US, so we used to with the breakfast tacos. Yeah, so same like a chapati. All right, guys. The egg and potatoes ready. So I'm just gonna clean the plate up. It's easy to clean too. Look at this. Where we buy this one, baby? Oh, we bought everything from Costco. Costco is a place we all like to go all the time. Good deal, everything. So it's easy to clean. Okay. Okay, it's clean, guys. Look at this. Easy to clean. It's uncooked. All you have to do.
Place it down
Yeah.
on the whatever it's called.
The flat top.
Look at this. It's getting soft. No, look. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Look. Like this. Just flip it. Yeah, faster. There you go. Flip it. There you go. Do the same thing. Yep. See, easy, right?
Yeah.
If you want to make it this fluffy, all you got to do. This is like a pulka, right? Look at this. See, it's. I don't want to cook too much to it. It's already like like it's cooked, so you don't want to be creating like a crispy, right?
It's so fluffy.
So I can put it here. Tortilla's ready. You put the egg here. You put the egg here and the potatoes. Alright guys, I should have added some cheese for more flavor, but I did not have it. The taste was still delicious. There you go. Okay, you can make a burrito like this.
Can you fold it like a burrito?
That's it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm making mine too.
So what I like about Appa's breakfast is very well flavored and seasoned and well done and cooked, and also the sauce is good.
What I like about the breakfast is that that's like the sauce is good and like the potatoes and the eggs are like well like done and cooked.
So I'm eating mine. Oh, Kyle's cooking.
What I like about Appa's food is that the potatoes and the eggs are good and the sauce makes it better.
Mm-hmm. Look at this, guys.
Nice.
I make a burrito, or you can call taco or burrito. So good, yummy. My wife is gonna eat after we're done with this video. Again, guys, thank you so much. Everybody's awesome. Prince is here. Okay, guys, thank you everyone enjoying this video and supporting our videos, supporting our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.